What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're gonna go four-wheeling in the truck house, and it's gonna be sweet, I think. So we are just leaving Moab, Utah. It's called Long Canyon. So if you come to Moab, this book right here is pretty sweet. This is what I've been using as my trail guide. It's got a lot of good trails in it. I'm extra stoked because this is my first four-wheel drive trail of the trip in the truck house. I just missed our turn, but looks like I get a second chance. There's Long Canyon Road, going off that cliff, down into Moab. You know what's really crazy is my freaking locking hubs have been locked since Alaska. So let's go see if the other side's locked. I had the hubs changed out before the trip, and yeah, this one's free, I think. This one's free, the right one was locked. That's weird. I keep all the tires in the truck house at 65 PSI. I'm gonna lower the rears to 45 and the fronts to 40 because this is a 10,000 pound setup. I can't get them too low. But even taking that 20 to 25 pounds out makes a huge difference. All right, we're all aired down. Let's roll. May not tell you, having my tires aired down like 30 PSI lower in these Fox shocks is like, this thing rides like butter. Here we go, let's launch the drone out the window. Take off. Here comes the crux move. See if we can fit under this freaking giant boulder. Okay, here we go. It's like 100 degrees. This is Long Canyon Trail. This is like the crux. This is giant freaking boulder that yeah, chalked itself in right here. Obviously it's very low clearance. I think we'll fit. We're gonna come within inches of hitting the rock with the roof of the truck cabin. Also, it's not flat down here. If you can, I mean, you won't be able to tell on camera, but there's some big rock ledges and stuff under this. So there's lots of tipping and stuff. So anyhow, blah, 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 let's go. Y'all can probably sneak by if you want. Yeah, go. If y'all gonna be slow, just wanted to make sure it fits. Anyway, you guys can kind of see what's going on. I think we're gonna be good. That corner right there is gonna be really close. And I can't really get a ton closer to this wall over here. Maybe half a foot or something. I think we got it. If you guys notice, my camper, the roof kind of tilts down. It's not, if it was just straight, a flat roof, I wouldn't be able to fit under here. It's 11 feet tall. Aha! We did it. We're through. That was the crux, I think. Let's continue. Good job, Lewis. Good job. Always a little bit of relief getting through crux spots like that, but we ain't done yet. We got some canyon to go out. that pavement already? That's totally a paved road. What? We're already done with the trail. Yeah, because there's Jug Handle Arch up there. Very cool. Was not expecting to be able to complete that trail that fast. It's pretty rad. I tell you what, these 37-inch tires and Fox shocks have made a difference. It made this thing a lot faster, a lot more cozy, comfortable in the trails, eats up bumps way better. So that had a little bit to do with the finishing speed there. And I was taking my time filming too, and I'd say that took me maybe an hour and a half, maybe. I bet I did it in an hour almost. All right, back to Moab. There's the Colorado River right there. We're just down in this canyon, driving right beside it. This is going into Moab up here. Can't remember what highway this is, 290 something or 2 something. Anyhow, that's a wrap, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I sure did enjoy the adventure. Smash that like button down there, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, everybody.